This is Rob at Rob Brooks Realty. And when you're buying a house, chances are good that you'll be obtaining a loan to buy that house. About 80-90% of all purchases are done with a loan. So what are the key elements you need to know when obtaining a loan? Know that the first step in obtaining that loan is to contact a loan representative. Make sure that they're local, make sure they know what they're doing. Contact that representative and ask them for a pre-qualification or a pre-approval. They're going to ask you a series of questions, like 20 questions or so, just asking you about your income, about what your situation is, and they're going to tell you whether or not they should be able to get you a loan. This is not an application. Just know that this gives you an idea of, yes, I can proceed with things, or no, I need to hold off another year. So, in finding a loan company, make sure that you ask around. Ask a realtor, because a realtor knows different loan people, and they know what's good and what isn't with different loan companies. So, you find the house you want, you make the offer, you have contract, great. What are the next steps? Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and make formal loan application. When you do that, that's when all that paperwork is going to be required. And just know that you're going to have a hassle for about a month, maybe a month and a half, of gathering things and gathering more things for the loan company. Chances are good that they'll ask for different things, paperwork proving your income, paperwork proving your current liabilities. And when you submit all that, be completely honest. If you're completely honest, then that will help everything move forward quicker and give them as detailed of the information as what you have. They're going to process that. They're going to send that to what they call the underwriter, and chances are good from the underwriter they're going to say they need a few more documents, maybe many more documents. Okay, like I said, it's going to be a hassle. So go ahead and gather those. Have them ready before you make the application, so it's not difficult to find those things. So after all of that, they will make approval after they have gotten the appraisal back. They'll do an appraisal on the property, and the appraisal needs to come back for at least as much as the property is worth, really, to make the loan work. There's a few different types of loans that you can acquire. There is the VA loan if you have served our country through the military. There is the FHA loan, which is similar to the VA loan but is a 3% down. The VA loan is 100% financing. And then there are the conventional loans, which are generally 5% down up to 20% down, depending on what kind that you choose. Be aware that for VA, FHA, or conventional, more than 20%, you'll be paying for what is called private mortgage insurance, or something close to it, each month, which will be in addition to your normal principal, interest, taxes, and insurance payment that you'll be making each month to the mortgage company. So that is the overview of obtaining a loan for when you purchase a house. This is Rob of Rob Brooks Realty, and this is buying or selling on the Emerald Coast.